Hello everybody. We are in New Mexico. We have one night here. This is our campsite at Leasburg Dam, New Mexico State Park, and this is pretty nice. It's a little small and a little weird. This is a nice state park. It's got, we're on electric and water. However, the temperatures for the last couple nights have been down in the 20s, and it's going to be down in the 20s for a couple more nights. So we've got electric here, which is nice, but tomorrow night we do not have electric. We'll have to use the furnace and figure out how to stay warm. As you can see, we are on a concrete parking pad. We have this really neat, whatever they call them. I call them a gazebo, but they're not. It's really big. It's big enough to really shade the tables versus at Belmora, the tables were out in the sun by 2 o'clock. So this, I think, is a little better. We'll have to see how it all comes out. But anyways, we've got the volunteer that's taking permits and checking people in. Gave me a good place to go and play with the brat. And he's been pretty bratty. He does not like the desert one bit. Things keep biting him and grabbing him, and he don't like it. So we're gonna go down and play in the river. I don't remember what the river was, but there's a river just below us, and she says that in the summer the kids play in it and stay cool, and it's really nice. So she says go down there and you can play in that. So that's where we're headed. So come on along. This is the bathhouse. It is the only bathhouse, and it is way up here near the office. And that is the dump station right there. So let's see. It's not bad. 2 toilets. And 3 showers. Oh, that's nice. All their shower modules. The push button, and they have these stupid things that they stay up. That'll be good. So I'll take, everybody uses the handicap one because that's the one that's all wet. Has all the bars. Not bad. No, leave it. Get out of here. Get. I wonder how many kinds of these there are, because they come in all different colors. I wonder if they're different. That's kind of pretty, purple. And he thinks everything here smells funny. He just likes to smell things, and he's going to hit one of those thorns and it'll be sad. This is the trail we're going down. It doesn't look too real easy. It's not bad though. The problem is he drops the ball and it ends up the lower parts of the trail. Boy, I bet these are pretty during the spring. You know, it really makes me want to be here during the seasons to see how it changes, because this is definitely the dead season. I mean, we don't have to worry about snakes or lizards or any of that stuff. They're all hiding somewhere. This is the actual Rio Grande. How do you like that? Rio Grande looks like when there's no water in it. And they totally control the water in Mexico, in New Mexico. So the trail leads to this little bridge, so you don't get your feet wet. This is the waterway that separates the U.S. from Mexico. That's kind of weird, don't you think? I mean, I'm just totally surprised that it starts here and they turn it on and off. Now this, she told me, is all closed off. See, there's a guard check there and a gate. This is the little swamp that I kind of showed you from up above. It's got water in it, just a little water, and it is flowing. I don't know what this bird is down here, but he just made a lot of noise. Where is he? There he is. Sounded like a greater yellow legs. I think I hear a bittern too. So this must be the day use picnic area, and there's a swimming beach down here. It's got a pit toilet, no swimming bathhouse of course, but down here it says no lifeguard on duty, swim at your own risk. So this must be the swimming area down here with the water in it. That is one interesting tree. I mean, look at the size of that rootstock. And then the tree just turns into a bush. I don't know what that is. Creosote bush, maybe? I don't know. I don't think so. A couple of little plovers. Killdeers, whatever they are. Looks like some kind of an ore train. I doubt it's all gold. That'd be nice though, wouldn't it, if you owned it all? Hell, I'd jump on one of them cars and grab a handful anyways. It'd probably be worth a couple thousand. Well folks, we were only there for one night and didn't see too much more, but it was a beautiful sunset and we were glad we went. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, let me know how you like the video. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.